You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future. By Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Hello everyone, it's me Deepa. Welcome to Home and Learn. Today we shall see Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Children, whenever a word problem is given in the linear equation, first you have to take the unknown number as x. The number what you have to find as x. Then if you read the question and solve step by step, it will be very easy for you. So first is we have to write let the number be x. Now if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, the number is x. So if you subtract 1 by 2 from x, so we are subtracting 1 by 2 from x and multiply the result by 1 by 2. You have to multiply this with 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. So you get what? You get 1 by 8. So the answer for this equals to 1 by 8. See how clearly we got the equation. Now we can solve this equation. That is, we have to multiply 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. That gives us x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 8. For solving this, we have to know the LCM. For 2 and 4, 4 is the LCM. So 2x minus 1 divided by 4 equals to 1 by 8. Now this divided by 4, we have to transpose to our right hand side. It will become as multiplication. So 2x minus 1 equals to 1 by 8 into 4. Now this can be simplified. That is, this is 2 times and this is 1 time. So 2x minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Again, next step is this minus 1 we are transposing to our right hand side. So 2x is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 will become as plus 1. So here again the LCM will be 2. So this will become as 1 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 2x is equals to 3 by 2. Now here 2 is in multiplication with x. So when transposing to our right hand side will become as division. So x is equals to 3 by 2 divided 2. This implies 2 means 2 by 1. So this can be written as 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. We have to do the reciprocal of 2 by 1 and our division will change into multiplication. That is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So x is equal to 3 by 4. Our next question, question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? Okay. Here they have given the perimeter of the rectangle. We know the value of perimeter of the rectangle. This is 154 meter. And its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So its length depends the breadth. So it is related with the breadth. That is, length is 2 times more and twice the breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So in the rectangle, the longest part is the length and this one is our breadth. So here our breadth is the only thing which is unknown. So we will let the breadth be x. So whenever a word problem is given, we have to take the unknown number as x. Next, length. What is the length? Length is correlated with the breadth. How? Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So it is 2 times breadth. That is 2 into x and it is 2 times more. So plus 2. So our length is equal to 2x plus 2. I repeat it again. Length is equal to, it is twice its breadth. That is, our breadth is now x. So 2 into x and it is 2 meter more. So plus 2. And the perimeter is equal to, we know that 154 meter, that is given. So what's the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? It is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, we know the value of perimeter of the rectangle. So 154 equals to 2 into, our length is 2x plus 2 plus breadth is x. So here 2x, here is 1x. X means 1x. So we can add it together. That is 2x plus 1x equals to 3x. So 154 equals to 3x plus 2. Now Here 2 is multiplied with 3x plus 2. This can transpose to our left hand side. So multiplication will become as division. So 154 divided by 2 equals to 3x plus 2. So 154 divided by 2 is, we can simplify this. This is 1 times 2 and this is 77 times. So 77 is equals to 3x plus 2. Now here 2 is added to 3x. So when it's transposing to our left hand side, it will become as negative 2. It is 77 minus 2 equals to 3x. So 77 minus 2 is 75, which is equal to 3x. Here 3 is multiplied with x. That is, if it is in a multiplication, if we are transposing to our left hand side, it will become as division. So 75 divided by 3 equals to x. So this can be simplified. 1 times 3 and 25 times 3. So our x is equals to 25. Now we have found the value of the unknown number x. What is the x? This is the breadth. So now we have to find the value of length. So breadth is equal to 25 meter. So unit you should mention over here. See, everything here is a meter. So breadth is our x. So that is 25 meter. Then our length is equal to 2x plus 2. See, here we have written 2x plus 2. So we have to substitute the value of x here. So 2 into 25 plus 2, which is equals to 2 into 25 is 50. So 50 plus 2 is equals to 52. So our length is equals to 52 meter. So what is the question? What are the length and breadth of the pool? So therefore the breadth and the length of the pool is 25 meter and 52 meter. So next question, question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4, 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So children, in this question, the given values are the base of the isosceles triangle they have given and the perimeter of a triangle is given. So what we have to find? We have to find the length part. So that is our unknown number. So let the length of the equal sides be x. Also, what is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangles means sides are equal. So if we find either one of the side, that will be equal to the other side. And they have given our base. So next step is we have to write a formula. So perimeter is equal to, perimeter means we have to add all the sides. So perimeter is equals to base plus side plus side. Here perimeter value given. So this is 4, 2 by 15 and base is also given, that is 4 by 3 plus side is x, that the value we have to find. So plus x, that is two sides we have. If you simplify 4, 2 by 15, 4 5s are 60, 60 plus 2 is 62. So 62 divided by 15 equals to 4 by 3 and here x plus x, when added we get 2x. So plus 2x. Here 4 by 3. When it's shifting to or transposing to our left hand side, it will become as negative 4 by 3. That is 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3 equals to 2x. Again in denominator it is 15 and 3. So we have to find the LCM. LCM will be 15. So in 4 by 3, we have to get the LCM for 15. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So that gives us 62 by 15 minus 4 into 5 divided by 3 into 5, which is equals to 2x. So 4 5s are 20. So 62 minus 20 divided by 15 equals to 2x. 62 minus 20 is 42. 42 divided by 15 equals to 2x. Here we can simplify over here. It comes in the 3 tables. That is 5 times 3s are 15 and 14s are 42. So 14 by 5 equals to 2x. Here 2 is multiplied with x. So when it transposing, it will become as division. So our x is equals to 14 by 5 into 2. Here it was multiplied with 2. When it comes over here, we are dividing. So 14 divided by 5 into 2. So our value is, now we can simplify this, 1 times 2 and this is 7 times 14. So x is equals to 7 by 5. So this is we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. Why? Our numerator is greater than the denominator. That is, we divide 7 by 5, 1 times 5 and balance 2. So this can be written in the mixed fraction as 1, 2 by 5. So our x is equal to 1, 2 by 5. Now we have find the value of x. So what is the question they have asked? What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So therefore the length of the equal sides is 1, 2 by 5 centimeter. Question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Whenever a word problem is given, you have to read the question properly. They will be having the keywords as sum, difference, exceeds, more than, less than, twice. Sum is addition. Exceeds means more. Okay. So adding of two numbers, we are getting 95. And one number is exceeds the other by 50. So find the number. So we have to find the number. That is our unknown part. So let the one number be x. So one of the number is x. And the other number what they have given. And if one exceeds the other by 15. Exceeds means added, more. So more by 15. So the other number is x plus 15. Okay. So x, so what they are given? The sum of two numbers, that is x plus 15 is 95. So sum they have given x plus 15 equals to 95. So this is our equation. Now it is easy to solve. So x plus x is equals to 2x plus 15 equals to 95. So first we have to shift this 15 to our right hand side. Transpose 15 to our right hand side will become as minus 15. So 2x is equals to 95 minus 15. So 2x is equals to 95 minus 15 is 80. Again, our next step, we have to solve for this x. Here 2 is multiplied with x. So when we are transposing, it will become as division. Right. So x is equals to 80 by 2. So we can simplify this. This 1 times is 2 and 40 times is 80. So our x is equal to 40 by 1 is again 40. So x is equal to 40. Okay, we have found the value of one number, that is 40. We have to find the value of the other number. What is the other number? X plus 15. We have to substitute the value of x over here. That is the other number equals to x plus 15, which is equal to our x is 40. So 40 plus 15 equals to 55. So therefore x is equal to 40 and the other number equals to 55. So fifth question, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. So we have two numbers, it is in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, differ means it's a subtraction. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So our unknown number, we can keep it as a common ratio be x. Okay. Why means this is an x is an unknown number because they are given in the ratio format. So we are taking as the common ratio be x. So whenever they are given in the ratio format, children, we have to write, if it is a 5:3, we have to write as 5x is to 3x. So if you find the value of x, we can able to find the ratio figure. So if it is 2:3 means 2x is to 3x. So whenever a ratio format is given, we have to write like this, 5x is to 3x. Okay. So the numbers are, now we have taken, what is the numbers? It is 5x and 3x and we have to find the number. Okay. So our question what they are given, they differ by 18. That is, they are, if you subtract the both the numbers, we get answer 18. So it's clear with the question. We can solve the question now. That is 5x, if they are differing, so we have to subtracting 5x minus 3x is equals to 18. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. We can subtract because same variable. So 2x equals to 18. Here x is in the multiplication format. So when it's transposing to our right hand side, it becomes as division. So x is equals to 18 by 2. Here we can simplify this. This is 1 times and this is 9 times. So our value of x equals to 9. Okay, we have found the value of x. Now we have to find in the ratio format. That is, the first number is equals to 5x. That is, 5 is multiplied by x. So x value of x we know that is 5 into 9 is 45. So the first number is 45 and the second number 3x, that is 3 into 9 equals to 27. So what is the question? What are the numbers? Therefore the two numbers are 45 and 27. Our question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So before going into the question, what is consecutive integers? That is, consecutive means the number right after the other number. That is, suppose if you have 4 means, what are the consecutive of 4 is 5. Consecutive of 5 is 6. That is right after the previous number. It can be 9, 10, 11 or 100, 101, 102, anything. So consecutive means the right after the same number. That is 4, 5, 6, like that. So suppose if you are taking 4 as x, how do you find the consecutive of the 4? That is 4 plus 1. So that is x plus 1, which is equal to 5. And how will we take the consecutive of third number of the 4? I mean second number, that is 4 plus 2. That is x plus 2. So if we keep x as 4 and we have to find the 3 consecutive integers, means x is the first one, that is x is equal to 4, and second number is x plus 1, we are getting the second number 5, x plus 2, we are getting the third number. So whenever they ask to find the consecutive numbers, we have to take as x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Clear? Now going to the question, 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. So when we add these 3 consecutive integers, that is x, x plus 1, x plus 2, we are getting 51. Okay. Now let the 3 consecutive integers be. We can't take it as simply x. Why? It is in x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So we have to write it as x, x plus 1, x plus 2. And the given is they add up to 51. That means sum. Okay. Sum is equal to 51. Now the equation is x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 51. Okay. Now we have 3x over here. Here is 1x, here is 1x, here is 3x. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3x plus 3 equals to 51. Again this 3 plus 3 when transposing will become as minus 3. So 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. And 3x is equals to 48. Now here 3 is multiplied with x. So when we are transposing, it will become as division. So x is equals to 48 divided by 3. Now this can be simplified. That is 1 times 3 and this is 16 times 3. So our value of 16 by 1 is 16. Our value of x is equal to 16. Okay. Now we found the value of x. We have to find other two numbers, that's x plus 1 and x plus 2. So we have to substitute the value of x here and we have to find the answer. So x plus 1 is equals to 16 plus 1 equals to 70. So the next number is 70. Again for x plus 2 equals to 16 plus 2, which is equals to 18. So therefore the 3 consecutive integers are 16, 17 and 18. Question number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Okay. We already know what is consecutive numbers. That is x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So we have the consecutive numbers. And what they have mentioned, it is the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means that is the number is multiplied by 8. That is, it might be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. For example, if x is equal to 1, that is 1 is multiplied with 8. So we will get the answer of 8. If x is equal to 2, 2 will be multiplied with 8. So answer will be 16 and so on. So how we have to take the consecutive multiples of 8 means it is 8x, 8 into x plus 1 and 8 into x plus 2. Coming back to our question, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. So what we have seen, 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 8x, 8x plus 1, 8x plus 2. Okay, find the multiples. So here let the 3 consecutive multiples be 8x, 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2. And their sum is equals to 888. So we have to add all this, that is 8x plus 8 into x plus 1 plus 8 into x plus 2 equals to 888. So here 8 is common over 3 terms. So we can take 8 as a common. So 8 into x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 888. So here we have how many x? 1, 2, 3. We have 3x and 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3x plus 3 into 8 equals to 888. So here 8 is multiplied with 3x plus 3. So we can transpose to our right hand side. So multiplication will become as division. So 3x plus 3 equals to 888 divided by 8. Here we can simplify it. This is 1 times 8 and 111 times 888. So our answer is 3x plus 3 equals to 111. Now 3 is multiplied with x and plus 3. We have adding with 3. So first we have to solve this plus 3. When it is transposing to right hand side, it will become as 3x is equals to 888 minus 3. So therefore 3x is equal to 108. Now here 3 is multiplied with x. So when it is transposing to our right hand side, it will become as division. So x is equals to 108 divided by 3. This we can solve it, simplify it. So 1 times 3 and this is 36 times. So our value of x is equals to 36. So the first multiple is 8 into x, which is equals to 8 into 36, that is 288. We have to find the multiples. In our question they have asked for the multiples. So we have to find the second multiple, that is 8 into x plus 1, which is equal to 8 into 36 plus 1 equals to 296. Next for the third multiple, 8 into x plus 2, which is equal to 8 into 36 plus 2, which is equals to 304. So therefore the numbers are 288, 296 and 304. Question number 8. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So again this question is related to consecutive integers, that is 3 consecutive integers. So first we will take it as, let the 3 consecutive integers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay, then what they have mentioned, they are taken in increasing order, that is they are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4, that is x is multiplied by 2 and x plus 1 is multiplied by 3 and x plus 2 is multiplied by 4. So that is 2x, 3x plus 1 and 4x plus 2. So what they have mentioned, they are added together. So 2x plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x plus 2 equals to what? They add up to 74 equals to 74. Now we can simplify this equation. So it is 2x plus, we are multiplying here. So 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8. 4 2s are 8 equals to 74. Now how many x are there? Here 2x plus 3x 5x plus 4x 9x. So 9x plus 3 plus 8 is 11. 9x plus 7 equals to 74. So x term remains over here. So 9x equals to 74 plus 11, when transposing will become as minus 11. Yes. So 74 minus 11. So 9x equals to 63. Now 9 is multiplied with x. So if it transposing to our right hand side become as division. So x is equals to 63 by 9. So this we can simplify. 1 time is 9 and 7 times is 63. Okay. So x is equal to 7. Now what you have to find? We have to find these numbers, that is x plus 1 equals to 7 plus 1 8 and x plus 2 equals to 9. So the three consecutive integers are 7, 8 and 9. Thank you all. See you soon in the next video.